Yo guys, what's happening? So, not much has been happening this, well, for the start of 2021 really, has it? I've been held behind a lot with the parts for Dory, the CORSA B. Parts got stuck at the border, managed to get them. I ordered a manifold gasket which we need. Still waiting on that. Ordered one, they've sent the wrong one. It looks like it's for B205 instead of B204. It's got a slightly larger inlet port, and it's not gonna fit. Or that's what I'm thinking it's for anyway. So I've ordered another one from SAAB. Would just come up to a week today. It's still not here. So I thought what I'll do is, instead of bringing you no content, because I can't move the VECTRA, it don't like the ice at all. It just sits and it doesn't do anything. It's a nightmare. So I just thought I'd overview over 2021, over 2020. And we'll just look back. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, let's have a look back of what we did in 2020. So yeah, hope you enjoy it, guys. What's happening, guys? Welcome to this video. Obviously I'm going to be doing the car reveal. I asked on my Instagram if anyone knew what it was. There were a couple of people that actually got it right. But yeah, it's a car that I've wanted for a while. I've actually had the money to buy one for once. Obviously I've got the diesel project, the VXD project, but I'll still be doing bits on that. I've still got it. I ain't got rid of it. I ain't part X'd it. I ain't sold it. So we are going to be still doing bits on that. Obviously the main point of this video, see the new car. So yeah, I'm just going to get straight to it. Here it is. Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at this Mark 8 Fiesta. You might recognise him from when we did, we're at 7.5 Fiesta. Yeah, we're at 7.5, that like a baby blue sort of colour. So yeah guys, that's today's cheeky mod. Okay, I'll just know I fell off a car. Yeah, so that's the cheeky mod for today. This beast right here, nice 3-inch bit of tubing instead of that cheap looking plastic thingy-mabob. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, don't give me a thumbs down, because that sucks balls. So yeah, see you later guys, hope you enjoyed it. guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to be doing first wash on the VECTRA. I'll show you around the car now. It is absolutely filthy. I mean filthy. It's been ages since it's been washed, I remember, to be fair. So yeah, we're going to give it a right good wash, a wax dry, seal the paintwork and make it all shiny again. So there we go. Right, so nearly fell. I've now got my grinder, so we're gonna get these exhaust tips cut off, and I might cut it a bit further back so when I get the new piece of the exhaust on, I can run it straight off of there. So let's get cutting. So yeah, we have the Golf R32 Mark V today. It's a beast.
Run free.
We've got there on clear running. Right, so I'll leave it in second and then we'll give it a boot. Like the first car that I've got into, like, do a review and it's actually put a really big smile on my face. Told you, all I want to do in this is just go up third, come down second, go up third, come down second. Second.
Behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker.
Can't believe we've done it. Can't believe we've done it. We've done it. So if you want a UkBoost sticker and you want free fuel, it ain't me, but yeah, if you want a sticker, get in touch with one of the admins and get you free fuel. Till next time, guys, see you later.
All we need to do is take all these seats out now, and I am absolutely
subscribers. 1,000 subscribers, that is like... Obviously there's accounts out there with bigger numbers, but 1,000 subscribers is like mind-blowing. Got to think like a big cinema in the UK, it holds what? I think they hold probably around 300 people in one screen. So it's like what, 4 screens? That's 4 massive cinema screens full of people that are tuning in to watch my videos, with the potential to quadruple within the next 2 years. So I finally got me from Costa Terry's chocolate orange, hot chocolate. Like, how long's it been? How long's it? A week? So a week ago is the last clips that you've just seen when I shafted my drive shaft. But yeah, I've gone with the Terry's chocolate orange and you've gone with the After 8 hot chocolate. So yeah. But yeah, we've just got us frappuccinos, because I thought that's what I'd do, you know, that looked pretty nice, so I thought frappuccino, yeah. Kim's got the, what is it, the cookie?
Cookie and cream. Cookie
and cream. I got the caramel with coffee. Don't know the difference in that. Coffee. I thought it was going to be warm with coffee in it, but it's still a frappuccino. So yeah, they look good, they smell good, but the price, £9.50. £9.50 for these two. £9.50. Do you know how many miles per gallon I could get for £9.50? About 1. Good morning, YouTube. Well, I'll say good morning. It's nearly good afternoon, we're on 11:33. So yeah, it's 11:30, and this is just going to be one of them videos that you just haven't planned. It's definitely been one of them weeks where shit just goes wrong and it happens. Welcome to car life.